Memories of, they specified I must speak about old amphitheatre. So for me, this amphitheatre is not old. If it's very old, you will not turn up here. It's all in a circle, just like the way we live. I'm very happy to welcome you to this campus where we began in the year 1990. This was the maximum number of people we would see at that time during a Shivratri. And this is the maximum number of people we would see for a Navratri at that time. So today most of us are only people who are residing in ashram. But at that time, all the number of visitors together would fill this amphitheatre. So we used to have Navaratri and Shivaratri in that hall. That hall was big enough, and this dining room was called Big Dining Room. And once we even thought, while architecting this dining room, we thought, why do we need such a big dining room? And then we celebrated when we made 100 kilo of rice for one meal, because that was a big number. Today we make about 200 kilo of salt alone for one meal. So it has hopped from here. Sumeru Mandap has hopped from here and became Vishalakshi Mandap. This amphitheatre has hopped from here and became the amphitheatre near Vishalakshi Mandap, and then is Guru Paduka Vanam. So really, has anything changed? Not really, but the scale has changed. And the design is perfect. This year I am completing 34 years of living here. So that's about the amphitheatre and the scale of operation we are looking at. But what is happening in our mind? So the design is perfect from Gurudev, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji's Holiness, because we saw him in very close quarters. So we had our differences of opinion with everybody, but then the evolution in the mind is our target. It is not about scaling up alone. It is not about arriving at perfection in performance and productivity, but what happens to the evolution of the mind. So that requires a big designer of the ambience, of the environment, of the infrastructure, of housing, of food, everything is designed so that our attention comes inward, not essentially the taste of food. So within us, we all grow up together in this campus like sibling of the same parent. We share the same ambience, we share the same food. Most of us are from the ashram. So we grow up like the siblings. 34 years later, we are still brothers and sisters living in this campus under the same parent. And the parent knows the design. We may have our differences, we may have our disputes, but that is only temporary, because we know that present moment is inevitable. Every human being has their own urges, their own tendencies, and their own drive in their mind of how to serve the cause of Gurudev. But then we all have different approaches, though the cause is the same. So how do we merge in spite of the differences in our approach? And that merger is through the Wisdom of the Art of Living Part 1 and the advanced courses and the Divya Samadhi Nirman program, Sahaj Samadhi meditation, and many more programs, and our sadhana and satsangs. In satsang, there are the people who sing on the stage, and there are listeners like all of us sitting here. But then the enthusiasm, the sincerity and the dedication of the singers, the listeners must also reciprocate. When they are clapping, you must also clap. That was how we began the satsangs. It was not a recital by the professionals on the stage and many devoted listeners. It was participative. It was call and repeat, call and repeat. Today when I noticed, I found the call is very loud and nice, but the repeat from all of you should have been little more reflecting of the people on the stage. So I welcome you. I'm very excited, thrilled about this, because this is where the seed is. And I've stayed in all the rooms. Our main announcements every day was, if you're washing your clothes in the Vashishta and Vishwamitra, we will not get food this afternoon, because we had very little water here, very little electricity here. Today we have everything in abundance. So enjoy satsangs. And repeat your satsangs in this campus because of my intimacy here. And it's nostalgic, but we move on. We move on. We have our differences, but then we patch up and then we come back to where we began. Enjoy the art of living. Enjoy grace and blessing of Gurudev. Jai Gurudev.